Question why? Listen to the sound of the virus. You can't deny this. Get up and amplify!
The fix that makes me feel
like I overdosed.